When someone is quick to dismiss mga valuable inputs at feedback ng kanyang grupo, that is a weak leader. That is an inefficient na leader. You see, napaka-importante ng feedback ng mga tao. You're literally throwing away their experience, their insights, their wisdom, their resources, their intelligence. Ito yung mga intangible assets na meron ang iyong grupo, na meron ang iyong business. So, if you do not honor them and do not recognize them and value ang kanilang mga inputs, ang kanilang mga feedback sa iyo, hindi ka magiging successful because ikaw lang mag-isa, marami sila. And for sure, may mga idea sila na ikabubuti ng iyong negosyo at yung organization na marahil hindi mo alam or na-overlook mo. So from now on, if you want to become an effective leader, you have to always value feedback. When you ignore them, nako, napaka-delikado yan sa iyong career as a leader or isang entrepreneur or isang business owner. For you to become systematic so that you can benefit their feedback, pwede ka maglagay ng suggestion box, pwede ka magpasa sa kanila ng survey forms so that you can gather these inputs so that you can evaluate them and make proper corrections to grow your business or company. Remember, yung mga tao mo, napaka-importante ng kanilang mga suggestions. Why? They want your company to last. Kasi andyan sila. So walang empleyado or member ng organization na magbibigay ng mga inputs, magbibigay ng mga feedback na ikakasama ng kanilang kumpanya or ng kanilang leader in the long run.